All right, guys. I tried a bunch of stuff, and I finally figured out what you need to do to get this to transmit on 220 and also GMRS. So you hold down this button here and this button here and the green button and turn it on, and it will say General on the screen. I don't recall having to do that on this one, but that's very cool. For me, if you can't do that, that's kind of a deal breaker on the radio. Anyway, so I don't want to keep doing it to show you, but like seriously, just turn it off, hold the PTT, this button and the green button, and turn it on, and hold it for a second, and then release it, and you'll get the Baofeng logo. Let me show you. You'll see that, and then it'll say General. So here we have it right here. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. And KG7HVR testing. Okay. And
4, 6, 2.
Wait. All I have to do is just change
2.
462575. I need to go into frequency mode here.
Channel mode. Frequency mode. 4, 6, 2, 5, 7, 5.
Okay. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. As you can see, it works.